So what I want to talk to you about today is what is upcoming for our lifetime memberships. Whatever I'm going to discuss today is absolutely free for you. First of all, I would like to talk about a course that's in the works, and this course is called Freelance to Income. Now, you know, we create a lot of tutorials on how to design websites or how to design WooCommerce websites, basically different types of websites. So what really inspired me was, why not use this knowledge on how to design websites and turn it into something that can generate us money? So that is what really inspired this course called Freelance to Income. This course is going to have quite a lot going on. We're going to have a child theme, which allows you to create quickly a portfolio website, which means you don't have to spend a lot of time creating your portfolio websites. It's going to be a course which is packed full of a lot of information to get you up and running and get you into earning money with your web design skills that you've learned on this channel. Now, this course is going to be $299, but for those of you who are lifetime members, this course is absolutely free. The second course that I want to talk about is called Knowledge to Income. Again, what really inspired the second course that I want to talk about is called Knowledge to Income. And there's a lot of things that we know. For example, baking, it could be dog training, it could be business, accounting, and so on. This course is about how to package all this information and help us make us money. Because I say to myself, I want to create a course similar to this once I hit 6 figures. Last year, I was able to hit 6 figures. So that really was my sort of like standard for me to say, you know what, I'm qualified now to do a course on how to create an online business. So this is why I'm really excited to create this brand new course called Knowledge to Income. So this course will pretty much have everything that you need to know about how to create an online business and how to create money online. So everything that I've learned over the years is basically what's going to be in these courses. Full of information, so much so that you are going to learn everything that I've done over the years in order for me to reach my 6 figures. I'll be sharing pretty much everything in live workshops and also a lot of templates and the software that I'm going to use. Now, recently, I know you may have noticed that I'm using System.io. So that's pretty much going to be our base for our course. So that is a system that I found is very easy. It doesn't require a lot of technical expertise in order for you to set up an online business. So this is what I'll be using to create this course. And again, if you're a lifetime member, this course is absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything extra. I've just recently moved to Zimbabwe, so pretty much catching up with a lot of the tickets. Support-wise, really like your patience here because I've just arrived here. There's a lot that I need to catch up on, and I'm just basically getting set up. I'm at home right now, but just needed some time to sort of like take a break, change of environment, and just see, you know, like how things are. But so far, I'm loving it. Everything is okay. And I'm looking forward to really enjoying my stay here for a couple of months, and then I'm back in England. The other thing also I want to talk about is I'll be doing a 50% discount on the lifetime membership. So this gives you an opportunity now to get access to these courses and all the other courses on funnels to income. So you will have access to all existing courses. You'll have access to all these upcoming courses just for a 50% discount. Links to all of that in the video description below.